Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have a hilarious showdown between two dash cams that will leave you in stitches. On the left, we have the REDTIGER dash cam, and on the right, the Prilot dash camera.
Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one wild ride.
The REDTIGER dash cam takes the lead with its mind-blowing 4K plus 1080p dual recording capability.
With a resolution that high, you'll be able to spot every little detail on the road, from road signs to license plates. Plus, it has a wide-angle lens to reduce blind spots. Talk about capturing the whole picture. Both dash cams deliver impressive video quality, but if you're looking for that extra 4K punch, the REDTIGER dash cam takes the win in this category. The REDTIGER dash cam comes equipped with Wi-Fi and a smart app control. You can connect it to your smartphone and use the REDTIGER app to view playback and manage your dash cam.
Plus, you can download and edit videos directly from the app. It's like having a personal video editing studio in your pocket. Both dash cams bring some serious brains to the table, but with its advanced app features and GPS capabilities, the REDTIGER dash cam steals the show in this category.
The REDTIGER dash cam offers a full 1-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee.
Their customer service team is ready to answer any questions or concerns you may have, 24/7.
Now that's what I call top-notch support. Both dash cams offer excellent after-sales support, but with its extensive warranty and round-the-clock customer service, the REDTIGER dash cam takes the crown in this category. The REDTIGER dash cam takes the lead with its superior video quality, smart features, and after-sales support. And there you have it, folks. The REDTIGER dash cam takes the lead with its superior video quality, smart features, and after-sales support. But remember, the best dash cam for you ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you enjoyed this hilarious showdown and want to see more product comparisons, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.